Good evening all of you. Welcome you guys. Welcome you all. How you are doing everybody? कैसे हो सभी लोग? And I hope all of you are doing great. So so today we are going to have one great sessions regarding the new batches announcement in the Unacademy. So these are the top rankers from Unacademy. These fellows achieved their success in 2023 from the top rankers 1, 2, 3. You can achieve now from the different branches. These fellows has achieved their success. Now it's time for you. You can start your preparations here with the Unacademy. So Unacademy is helping to for your success. And these are the new batches we are starting for the ECN as well as electrical. You can find the top educators of Unacademy. You can find here. And so if you have any doubts, any other, so here you can post your doubts. We can discuss all your doubts. We can discuss in the class. Next, and so here you can see this thing rank improvement batch, which is going to start by the Pawan sir. So you can see this thing. And the exclusive batch for DS and AI, as you might know here, the IISc Bangalore has announced the new branch that is DS and AI for GATE 2024 के लिए. The interested students can enroll for these batches. So just by paying for the 11,999. So and you can use the code of BV Reddy. By using the BV Reddy code, you can get additional benefits भी आपको मिलने वाला. Use the code of BV Reddy to have a great discounts. Chalo, let's continue now here. And the daily scholarship test is available. You can avail this opportunity also. And you can plan your Unacademy subscription with a no cost EMI without paying any additional charges. You can avail it. Right. Chalo, let's continue our discussions. So now let's see this thing here. Next one here. Look at this problem. And look at this problem. Next problem here. And that previously we have completed 50 problems. We have completed, I think so, everybody. Yes. I'll send you one problem now. Which problem is it? Okay, I will discuss. And whatever the doubts you have, you can post your queries and all. And I will discuss all your queries. I will discuss. Nitesh, so that means the problem which is a multiplexer is given. Is the problem that problem you're asking? Right. I will discuss that problem also. Yes. Now, chalo, let's continue our problems now here. And if you have any other queries and all, do post it. Do post your doubts. I will discuss all your doubts. I will discuss. And look at now here, problem number 50. They given a ripple counter is made with 3 positive edge triggered flip flop. Is made 3 positive edge triggered flip flops. If the output of the previous lower significant bit is used as a triggering clock of the next higher significant bit, right, then the resulting counter is, and what they're saying, you tell me. So this is a ripple counter, means asynchronous counter. Asynchronous counter, what they given? This is the asynchronous counter. Three flip-flops are there. They use it as a positive triggering. They use it. What type of triggering they are used? Positive trigger. And they are saying that, so the output of the flip-flop, if I say this is my Q0, if I say, and this output, this is my Q1 and this is my Q2, the output of this flip-flop is acting like a clock for the next flip-flop. This output is a clock for the next coming flip-flop, like this. Right, now here these are some inputs they are given. So asynchronous counters, we should apply this thing as all the flip-flop mostly toggle mode. Now this is the counter they given now. Now you can tell me now here what type of counter is it. You tell me now here. Asynchronous counter, it will count from 0 to 7. So means what I can say, this is nothing but mod 8 counter. And whether it is up counter, down counter, they use the output is Q is connected to positive trigger. Yeah, tell me now here हमारा टेक्निक आपको सभी को स्मरण है ना. And Q into we are using a positive trigger, so which will be given as what, tell me, plus Q ना. अभी कौन सा स्टेट में हाई, अभी ये कौन सा स्टेट में हाई, सुख में हाई कि दुख में हाई, ये सुख में हाई. अगर सुख में हाई तो देन क्या होने वाला इधर, अगर सुख में है तो इसके आने वाला क्या होगा, टेल मी. सुख के बाद दुख आना पड़ेगा. That means it is what we can say now, this is a mod 8 down counter. Mod 8 down counter. Fine. And see the next problem. A new flip-flop is designed with the inputs given as like this, A, B as the inputs and output of the flip-flop being Q. The characteristic table is given. They ask him to find the expression they ask him to find. Okay, so you can see the minterms here. You can see the minterm. This is a minterm. This is a minterm, and these are the minterms. Now tell me. These three are the minterms, right? So you can tell me now here that is my Q plus, which is given as the minterms. You tell me now here, which is equal to A, and this is B bar, A, B bar, and Q bar. Plus, next one is A, B, and Q bar. Plus A, B, Q. And let's try to minimize this expression. It is Q plus, which is given as what I can do here. And if I combine these two, tell me now क्या होगा. If I combine these two here, Q bar चला जाएगा. Now AB will come. So this means AB plus this is AB bar Q bar. If I take here A common, then it is B plus B bar into Q bar. We can apply the mingle property here. So then what is the Q plus now here, tell me. This is A into this is B plus Q bar. So that means Q plus, which is given as what, tell me, that is AB plus AQ bar na, AB plus AQ bar. So tell me the kaun sa option. Okay, so here this is Q bar na. Okay, this is Q bar. So हाँ. Yes, now you tell me now Q plus what I can able to do it. So we are combining these two, we are combining. So tell me now what I'll get. A Q bar plus what we can do here, and this is A B Q bar. So what I can do here, tell me now here. एक्सप्लेनेशन हिंदी में, अरे यार सो हियर हमने कुछ लिखना है, लिखना हियर हिंदी में थोड़ी होगा क्या. सो हियर वी आर स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में चलेगा. सो लिखने में हिंदी में होगा क्या, नहीं होगा ना. क्या इधर एक बार बोलिए जोर से. So this thing, yes, this line कुछ गलत देखा क्या मैंने. Look at now here, this is A. Okay, now this is B bar and this is Q bar. सही कि नहीं चेक करके बोल. Next one, A B bar and Q plus next one A B Q bar. चेक करो इधर मैंने सही लिखा कि नहीं. Now try to simplify this thing. Okay, now I'm combining these two here. If we combine here, this is what I'll get of AB bar, and I can combine this thing AQ bar. I can combine these two here, then I can get AQ bar मिलेगा. Answer you tell me. AB bar plus sorry. So option D. All of you post your queries, then we'll finalize. We'll discuss all your doubts. Next one, take it. Now they are asking to find what will be the combinational circuit. Combinational circuit they are asking to find. Yeah. So to make it as clear, so here this is the LSB and this is the MSB सबसे पहले. Now you tell me now clear bar. When the clear bar will be activated, you tell me which is given as. So Q2 and Q1. So this is given as what, tell me, Q2 and Q1. They given as this thing. Now they are saying that a mod 6 ripple counter is to be designed using 3 flip flop. We need to design a mod 6 counter. Means what should be now, tell me. So mod 6 counter means it has to count from where to where. So only the 0 to 5. The moment 6 आया the moment 6 immediately has to be, what I need to do here, it has to be clear. It's a down counter या up counter, you can see now here it's a up counter only, इसीलिए 0 to 5. So 6 आने के बाद तुरंत reset होना पड़ेगा. Means what we can say here, 110 आने के बाद reset होना पड़ेगा, isn't it? So means when the clear will be activated, tell me now here, this is my Q2 and Q1. इसका मतलब this is what gate, you tell me now here. What gate now here? This must be a NAND gate होना पड़ेगा. कौन सा gate होना पड़ेगा? So this must be a NAND gate होना पड़ेगा. NAND gate. Then only this output is 1, isn't it? So this is a NAND gate. If it is NAND gate now, कौन सा option now here? AND gate followed by NOT gate. So that is a NAND gate. Next, you can try this thing here. Right. A 4-bit serial in parallel outshift register they given us like this. SIPO register they given. Now they asking to find. So if the initial state of the register is given as this much, they asking when it will be come back again. That means indirectly they asking to find the mod number, isn't it? So tell me now, what is this input you tell me here? Here they given this as a plus b, and this is after that a plus b, that is x nor with c. A plus b x nor with c they given. Okay, so I think this side is mm, not visible not properly. Mhm. I think the screen has to be adjusted. Now is it fine now here? Are you able to see now properly? Screen adjustment has to be done here. We have missed this thing previously. Right. So they given. So what we have now here? Now the input. And what the input is given as, what we got, tell me now here, a plus b, a plus b XOR with c. This is it screen is visible? Tell me all of you what I am writing. Is it fine to all? जो हमने लिख कर आपको आपको समझ में आ रहा कि नहीं बोल? Is it comfortable to all of you? Hmm? Yes, okay, fine. Then it is fine. Okay. Let's continue now here. Yeah, so adjustment to be done. Okay, fine. So here next time I will take care of it. So here I didn't adjusted that one properly. So I will adjust it. Next time I will adjust it. Yeah, so screen thoda bada hai na. So here we'll adjust it. Right. Okay, fine. This is the input now here. And look at now here they given this as a b c, initial value given as 100. So you tell me now here, so we can form a tabular form. So here input, now this is my clock, that is a b c d. Now you can tell me now initially 0th clock, so they given as 1000 given. Now you tell me now here what they are saying here, and we need to do it as, what tell me input is, what tell me a plus b kiya, so what will get now here 1. So this is x nor, sorry, this is x nor na. X nor, okay, fine. So this is first clock दिया, तो input क्या आएगा देखो इधर. So this is a plus b 1 x nor, so it is a 0 now, tell me it is 0, so we'll get it as 0 will come here 100. Next second clock you tell me now here a plus b, so this is 1 0 आएगा 0 0 0 1 0. And third clock a plus b, so 0 c 0 0 0 0 0 1 आएगा, चेक करो. And fourth clock, A plus B is what? Tell me now. 0. X naught 0. 1 will come. 1 0 0 0. Yes, you see this thing here. After fourth clock, we got the same thing. We got it or not? So tell me now here, what is the mod number we can say this is? This is the mod number, which is equal to 4. So the option is C. Next, and take the next one. Yeah, JK flip-flop circuit is given assuming the flip-flop was initially cleared. Flip-flop was initially cleared. The counting sequence at Q is, and look at now here. Look at now here, JK flip-flop. So J given as what? Tell me. J given as a Q bar and K given as 1. So this state, this situation is called as what? Tell me. Toggle mode, which is called as what? Tell me now. Toggle mode. This is called as a toggle mode. In toggle mode क्या होगा? Tell me. Output will be keep on will toggle ना continuously. Tell me. Initial state which is given as a 0 1 0 1 keep on will toggle करेगा. So what is the option now here? Continuously will toggle. Next, a 4-bit right shift register has initialized the value. They initialized the value to 100 and they given this a data, so we can call this is like a input now. Yes, can you tell me the input value? Input is input which is given as this is a Q naught, so this is here, this is what? Tell me now here, Q2 XOR with Q3 and this XOR. So as we know here, this will satisfy the associative XOR gate, so we can write this thing as Q naught XOR with Q2 XOR with Q3. Yes, this is a input now. Now we need to find out this mod number is required. Now let's see the mod number, what happens. Try this mod number, all of you. So tell me now here, clock input. So this is Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. So here initially 0th clock, the given the initial state is given as what? Tell me. 100 1000. Now what is the input? You tell me here, which is given as XOR between this and this. So that is Q0 XOR with Q XOR with Q3. When the output of this XOR gate is 1 for odd number of ones. Yeah, tell me now here, first clock when you apply, you can see now here 1. How many ones are there here? Here odd number. So this is 1. So that 1 1 0 0. Next, second clock when you apply, check it now here, odd number of ones only. 1 1 1 0. Next, for third clock, even number. So 0 0 1 1 1. Fourth clock. So how many you tell me now here? Even number only. So 0 0 0 1 1. Fifth clock. So here even number. 0 0 0 0 1. sixth clock 1 1 0 0 0. Now you see this thing after sixth clock, same thing is repeated now. Same thing is repeated. So that means the number of clock pulse required to get this pattern again. How many clocks required? Tell me. 6 clocks are required. Is it fine to all? Yes. Done. Now check this thing. This is the toggle input. Look at now here. T flip flop. If the T flip flop, in case of a T flip flop, you tell me now here if the input, what we can say now here, if T equal to 0, then that is what tell me now hold state. And if T equal to 1, then it is a toggle. But we need to see the clock, we have to see. Clock we have to see. And this is what type of trigger, you tell me, negative edge trigger. It is what type of trigger? Negative edge trigger. So only at the negative edge only the flip flop will respond. Only at the negative edge locations. Now at this location, if you see carefully, so here what is the value? Tell me now here. Initially flip flop is given as 0. So then what happens? Tell me now. Until the clock has to come, output is 0. The moment clock arrived at this instant, it will be toggle hoga na, it will becomes 1. Until that, this will be remain same until the clock has to come. Yes, at this location clock is there 1, so it toggle बनेगा. Next, इधर आने के बाद, so here this is t is 1. Yes, ये वापस toggle होगा. Now at this location clock is there, toggle होगा. After this it is there, so toggle होगा ना. You can check this option now here. कौन सा option सही होगा? Option C. Next. The circuit shown in the figure below is, and what is the counter they are saying here? And look at now here. So T flip flop. So I am calling this as TA, and this is TB, and this is QA, and this is QB. Now we'll form a tabular form for this. It is synchronous counter ना, इसलिए tabular form हम form करना पड़ेगा. Now check the TA connections. TA input is given as what? Tell me. TA का input. This is a OR gate. And so this is also OR gate. कहाँ से दिया? Tell me now इधर. So QA से one input, QB से दूसरा input. So means what I can say, TA which is given as QA plus QB. Next TB, and TB given as what? Tell me now here. This is QB plus QA bar. It is QA bar plus QB, and thereafter QA, and this is my QB. Now initial state कुछ दिया क्या? Not given. Mod number ना initial state हमने 0 मान लेता. 0 मान लिया हमने. So tell me now here. So this is 0 and this is 1. 0 दिया था होल्ड स्टेट और टी फ्लिप फ्लॉप में. 1 दिया तो क्या है टॉगल बनेगा. Yes. So 0 1. So this is 1 and this is 1. 1 आई तो टॉगल होगा. 1 आई तो टॉगल होगा. नेक्स्ट 1. This is 0. 1 आई तो टॉगल होगा. 0 आई तो होल्ड स्टेट होगा. Yes. Same initial state repeated ना इधर. So means what I can say this counter now, tell me. So this is a mod 3 counter. This is a mod 3 counter. So कौन सा option tell me now? Option B. And this is a mod 3 counter. Fine all of you. Okay. Done. Okay, fine. So I think so we have some problem with this thing. The screen size is not proper and the students are not able to see the question properly. So this all these things I will rectify this thing for the next class. So we will wind up the class now. This remaining problems, whatever the doubts you have, all of you share your doubts and we can discuss in the next sessions. I'll collect them. So here the problem is required now to show, then only we can able to solve it now here, isn't it? So all of you send the problem, share your doubts and I will collect all your doubts for the next sessions and I will discuss in the live session. We will discuss for you. Now I will adjust this as a screen also not good, it is not proper. I'll adjust it now. Next class we can rectify all these problems. Yes. Yeah. Fine. So here I will collect the questions. All the questions I will collect. Then I can easily upload. I can prepare a slide form. I can do it, so that you will be comfortable. Okay. Okay then. See you. Bye bye.